Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So today, as you can see, we have a long requested video review of this complicated black dress. Look at the sleeves. In previous video I showed you a detailed work on this dress. You have learned how to properly work with fly-off parts and sleeves. And also learned to pacify the knitwear so that all the seams are made with perfect precision. In this video I will review this dress in detail. You will see how each seam is made and learn some of the nuances of connecting parts. This dress is so versatile, comfortable and elegant that it will suit all occasions. The percher details gracefully emphasize the figure and can be placed in dress in different ways, depending on your mood. And also this cut provides excellent opportunities for the embodiment of creative ideas. This detail makes our dress unusual and unique. This is how the dress looks. You can also tie the dress back and it will be beautiful too. You can wear this dress to a restaurant, theater and at the same time to the office. Just a simple dress with two belts. I always say that there are favorite things in our wardrobe, and from our favorite things we have the most favorite things. And this dress will just be my favorite. See how the dress looks on the table? The dress was made very quickly. You can make it from any fabric that you like, for example something more warm for the fall, hem, regular facing. The bottom of the sleeve is processed with a rolled seam. I'm very glad that now I have such an amazing dress. Every woman should have a few little black dresses in her wardrobe for her personal comfort. Today I want to discuss one important for me topic. How is our channel different from others? On other channels you are promised to be happy, rich and marry a millionaire in future. And in the end, none of the subscribers become happy, rich and beautiful, and of course nobody marry a millionaire. But our subscribers have a whole wardrobe of clothes that they like. And that makes them happy. This is our main difference. Our goals are real. When everything is in order in our wardrobe, the mood becomes good. And when the mood is good, the life becomes better. Please write in the comment section, are you agree with that statement or not? That's it for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!